Hello everyone, here's a quick video showing you how to add decimals with different number of decimal places. So the most important thing that you've got to remember is lining up the numbers correctly. It looks like they all have the same number of digits, however these will not be lined up like this. Look at your decimal points, this would be wrong. Look at the columns. 3 is in one's column, 8 is in one's column, they've got to be underneath each other. 2 is in 10's column, 9 is in 10's column, they've got to be underneath each other. Now, let's do the line. Ideally, put in placeholders in empty spaces so that you can see what you are doing here and it's easier for you. So remember, you are adding, not subtracting. 0 plus 7 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Put your decimal point in here. Look, the decimal point is underneath the decimal point. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1, carry 1 over. 2 plus 9 is 11. Plus 1 that I carried over is 12. Write my 2, carry 1 over. 1 plus 1 is 2. So remember, when you're lining this up, your columns have to match. So your ones should be underneath your ones, your tens underneath your tens, your hundreds underneath your hundreds, and so on. If you look here, this is the most common mistake that children do. They line up the digits as they go. They do not put in placeholders, and the decimal points end up being in different places, not underneath each other. Have a go at this example, pause the video so that you've got enough time to do it, and then we'll do it together. So again, the first step is to line up the digits properly. So remember, your ones should be underneath your ones, tens underneath your tens, and so on. Remember, you are doing addition, so write down the plus sign. Put in your placeholders in empty spaces. You can put in your decimal place first so that you make sure you remember it. And we've got 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry 1 over. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 1 that I carried over is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry 1 over. 6 plus 0 is 6, plus 1 that I carried over is 7. And here's your answer. And again, this is the most common mistake that children do. They do not line up the digits properly and they get the wrong answer.